Okay, so we're gonna do G-GPE.5. So we have to do this problem. Find the equation of a line perpendicular passing through point -3, 3 to a parallel line to y equals 3x minus 4 while passing through point 1,5. So what it's saying is, so first is graph this line, because we know that's the baseline. So -4, that's the y-intercept. It's a slope of 3, so it's going to go up like this, up like this, up like this, up like this, so on and so forth. Then you can just draw on the line. Okay, so that's the first line, so let's label that one number 1. But then what it's saying is the parallel line, so we know a parallel line must have the same slope, and that's because, so if two lines have different slopes, say one has a slope of 3 in this case and the other has a slope of 2, it's going to look like this, but then this one's going to be like this. So eventually, if this one's going like this one's going to converge with it. But if they have the same slope, they're never going to meet each other because they're not even tilting at each other. So they're going to keep on going forever and ever, being side by side. So that means it has to be the same slope. So we know that the parallel line has y equals 3x. And they told us that it passed through 1,5. So if we graphing this 1,5, we know that it has a slope of 3. So if we push this down 3, because one back is down 3, we see the y-intercept, so we can see that it's plus 2. And then we can just graph in the same line, not the same line, the same slope. Okay, so that's line number 2. Okay, so we wanted was a line that was perpendicular to this one, line number 2, but passed through -3, 3. So -3. So if you see, this one was the y-axis. 2, 3, 3. So the line passed through here. And we know, so since this is the line of the parallel, this is the equation of the line of the parallel line, we know that the slope of a perpendicular has to be the reciprocal, the opposite of the reciprocal. So it would be y equals -1/3 x plus b, and we don't know what b is yet. But we do know a point that it has. So 3, we can substitute in the values. 3 is y, equals -3 as an x, and then so negative 3/3 plus b. Okay, and then so we get 3 is equal to, those two become a positive, so positive, and then becomes a 1 equals 1 plus b, so that becomes 2 is equal to b. So now in this equation, y equals -1/3x, we know that b is equal to 2 plus 2. So that's the equation of the perpendicular line. We'll just graph it in just to make sure. So it matches up with this one. That's surprising. And it does look like it's perpendicular. And if you realize, this is also perpendicular to this one as well. And this point could have been anywhere, but I just chose it there, just for convenience. It's close by. Okay, and then that line would go on forever in this direction and that direction. Okay, and that concludes with G-GPE.5. Thank you.